Okay, folks, so today we're going to do a windshield washer fluid switch replacement. My son and I looked on YouTube and we saw a few dimly lit YouTube videos. I hope this one will turn out better. We're doing it in the daylight with light. So that's a tip for anybody who's doing these videos. Do it with some light. But anyway, it's real easy. We actually already took this out and I put my panels back in to just to show you pretty much how easy it is to do this thing. And I bought this one at AutoZone. Yeah, my trusty assistant over here, Gage. He's gonna be doing some camera work for us. But anyway, I'll try to do some of this for you. But to start, there are a couple little body panels you might want to just pull off. Mine are loose. Again, like I say, I just popped them back together, but they have little clips on them like that. And you want to get both of these out. I used a where's my large screwdriver? This one? This one. So this one's got some little body clips too, and I know you want to be careful not to scratch your panel, but these do pop out pretty simple, just like you see there. And once it's about halfway out, you can pop the rest. And there's one on this side. Just like that. So you take that out. And underneath your steering wheel, there's 3 Torx T20 Torx. There's one that's obvious right here. We're going to pop out, and then there's one on each side of the steering column right there. So just hold that camera over there. Sometimes it's a little tricky to figure out how to get that Torx in there, so you kind of got to feel them. That's gonna make a fool out of me. I'll try this other one. Back that up. I'm gonna do video editing now because I can't get the Torx. There it goes. Okay, that should be loose. Yeah, it is. All right, the last one. Okay. So then I'm gonna pull the tilt wheel deal down. And pull the, yeah, try to focus on that right there. I'm just gonna take the little cover off. That's what held the 3 Torx pieces on. And then right over here, you see the switch. And just pull that down. And then we'll slide it over top of this little piece, just to get it out of the way. So what mine was doing was my phone actually fell off the off the dashboard and hit this windshield washer thing until it, I guess, maybe had a short circuit or something. But I have already tested the new switch and it seems to work. So right here we've got the wiring harness for it. And you can just unplug it by pushing this little release tab right there. The wires are actually routed in here, so I got those out first. And use my fingernail to push down on that and then slide it out. Just like that. You can see it's loose. So the switch is basically loose. There's only one screw that holds the switch in. Let's see if you can see that. See that little loop on the right side there? Hold that. There's that little screw hole. So we're gonna find that on this side. You'll see it, but it's hard to get to, so you need a short Phillips screwdriver for this. Let's see if you can see that. Really difficult to see. But that's the screw right there. And I actually already left it loose just because it was a pain to get out. But if you've got a shorter screwdriver, you can. Oops. So mine just dropped, but yeah, you want to keep up with that. But at that point, your switch should just slide right on out. Just has some grooves. You can see. Slides right in and out right there. So we're ready for the new one. Got our new switch here. We'll plug it into the wiring harness just like it was. Takes two hands, and I'm trying to hold this camera. All right, Gage, you do the camera.
All right.
Let me have my two hands. Yeah, I'm gonna be in your way just for a second, but basically that's it. Snapped in place, then we're gonna reroute these wires right back where they were. Can you see that? There we go, that looks nice and neat now. See that? Okay, I'm gonna put my screw in. This ought to be entertaining, because I've dropped it about 5 times trying to do this. See? I need my little short screwdriver. Can't let the video show this. I hate it because it's so much of an awkward angle. But that screw is going in. Can you see it at all?
No, not your fingers in the way now.
You see the screw? Anyway, I've got it tightened up. Back in there. Where is it? Believe me, it's in there. But you'll get the gist of it when you take the first one out. It's pretty easy. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna kick that key on real quick just to make sure wipers do work. And I hear my pump running.
You hit it?
So it should be good. And then it's just a matter of putting all the other pieces back.
Where do you want to stop?
We'll just keep on going for a second here. Get this. Oh, no. Top trim panel. You can back that camera up a little bit if you want at this point. Just gonna rest that in there on top of that. Nice. And put the bottom one on, starting with the tilt wheel piece. Get that up there. Take my key out. Somebody ought to dust under there, huh? Pretty nasty. There we go. Yeah, so I just leaned that a little bit and got the key switch area on first and then slid it back that way a little bit. That seemed to help. And I'm gonna start out with that middle Torx just to hold this piece on. Less things to hold. And that's about it, man. We got that. 2 other screws. I hope y'all's Jeeps are cleaner than this one. It's embarrassing. It's my daily driver. Got one going. Get this guy right here going. That ought to do it. I think you can figure out those bottom body panels again. Again, you got to do your main big one. Got a little clip right there, that hinge. Put it on there first, and slide it up in here and snap it in place. It's pretty simple. And then you got your bottom one. But I got some other things to look at underneath as far as the amp goes. But I hope that that helps you guys out getting your switch replaced. Say we got it going now. I don't have any fluid in there because I got my pump out right now, so everything drained out when I took the pump out, thinking that was the problem, but narrowed it down to the switch situation. But anyway, I hope this helps out somebody. But anyway, good luck.